All right, y'all, today we're gonna do a super simple dump and bake chicken Alfredo pasta. Probably the easiest, most simple way to make it. You have uncooked pasta you're gonna start with. Then we're gonna put in the rotisserie chicken that we shredded up. And whatever Alfredo sauce. I'm doing the 4 cheese from Classico. Just dump all that together. Scrape out your insides. And you're good to go. Get all that kind of mixed. You're just gonna lightly mix it, and then we're gonna put in our liquid. Okay, so here we got 2 cups of milk. Gonna pour over it. There we go, our oven is ready. We're also gonna do 1 cup of water. And then our seasoning, we're gonna do garlic powder. I am a garlic lover, so I'm gonna do a little extra. You do whatever amount of garlic feels good to you. Maybe a couple of teaspoons for people who wanna be on the conservative side of it. And we're gonna do salt. And pepper, of course. All right, and then let's get all that kind of mixed together. Then we want to take out a sheet of aluminum foil, get it tightly wrapped. We're going to throw it in the oven for 40 minutes at 375. It's been in there for 40 minutes. Now we're going to pull it out. Those noodles should be nice and cooked, and the water and the milk in there. Pull this guy back. And then I've shredded 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese that we're gonna put over the top of this. All right, so we got the cheese nice and spread over the top. We're gonna put it back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until this is nice and melted and bubbly. I want it melted and bubbly. All right, let's get her out of there. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's nice bubbling. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is some cheesy goodness right there. Just go ahead and try this thing. What do you think?
Yeah. Nice and creamy.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh goodness.
Whoa.
Look at that, y'all. That is some good stuff. Look at that cheese pull. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at the creamy. Oh man, this looks awesome. And it's so easy too. You didn't even have to like cook the like look at that. Look at the noodle. It's cooked through. You didn't have to boil it beforehand or anything. This is why I love dump and bake recipes, y'all. Put that cheese on there. Oh yeah. It's good. It is good. That is just like a that's just like a simple comfort food. Fill you up. Warm the soul. And you literally just dump it all in there and it's ready to go. Y'all gotta try this at home.